Want to be able to carry your groceries from the car, up the steps, into the cabinet? Well, fear hurting yourself or, asking for help? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I will show you 3 simple exercises you can do at home to build the strength you need for everyday life, no gym required. I'm Andy, I'm 77, I'm a certified fitness instructor and founder of 5BX60 exercise program and the Aging Strong channel. I help people over 60 move better, feel stronger, and stay independent. Stay to the end of today's video for 2 bonus challenges, the Circle Spin Balance Challenge and the Jump Rope to Joy Challenge. Let's get started. Exercise 1 is the bicep curl. The purpose is to help with lifting and carrying bags, boxes, or laundry. Grab a pair of light weights, soup cans, or whatever bottles you have, and start with the arms at your sides, palms facing forward. Curl the weights up toward your shoulders, and then lower slowly with control. Don't swing. Keep your elbows close to your body. Reps, well, start with 10 to 12 reps. If that's easy, try a second round. If it's too hard, try 5 reps. Just listen to your body. Exercise 2, lateral raise. The purpose, it improves shoulder strength and posture for reaching, lifting, and balance. Stand tall or sit up straight with weights at your sides. Raise your arms to the shoulder height like wings, then lower back down slowly. Number of reps, well, do 8 to 10 reps. Go slow and keep your shoulders relaxed. Now, exercise 3 is an overhead press. Purpose is to build strength for putting items in overhead cabinets or lifting anything above shoulder level. Hold your weights at shoulder height, elbows bent, push straight up overhead, not too fast, and bring the weights back down to shoulder height. Number of reps, well, do 8 to 10 presses. If it feels too much, start with 5 and build up. Form tips, well, focus on your form, not speed. It's better to go slow and controlled than to rush through and risk injury. And remember, doing just a few reps a day consistently adds up fast. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress. If you do these 3 moves a few times a week, you'll start feeling stronger, more confident, and more capable in your daily life. Let me know in the comments how it felt, or if you have questions about the form, well, I'm here to help. Before we go, here are some challenges you can try. This one's called the circle spin. Here's how it works. Get your balance blocks out in a small circle on the floor like a mini obstacle course made of rainbows. Step up and walk the circle, 1 block at a time. No hopping, no hand holding, and no shortcuts. Once you've made a full lap, try spinning in place on 1 block without stepping off. Just a little spin. We're not doing pirouettes, unless you want to. Bonus level, walk the circle in the opposite direction, keeping your arms out like an airplane wing. My second challenge today is the Jump into Joy, a lighthearted jump rope challenge for all fitness levels. The idea, add a few jumps to your week, even if it's just 10. No pressure, no records, just joyful movement. I'm doing 100 jumps a day right now, but you can beat me with creativity consisting of just, showing up, or maybe it's 10 jumps. It's perhaps 20 seconds of imaginary rope. It all counts. So grab a rope or pretend that you have one and then jump in. Tell me in the comments how many you did today, or post a short video at the hashtag #JumpJoyChallenge. Let's lift each other up 1 bounce at a time. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I post new videos weekly with simple workouts that keep you moving strong at any age. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay strong and keep moving.